Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can share Instagram group chat invite link. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all I'm going to open my group chat. So we can go to the Instagram direct message right here by clicking on this icon on the top right corner. And then we have to open our group chat. We want to share the invite link, and I'm gonna go with this group chat. I'm going to open this group chat, and then we can click on the group chat's name. Okay, and here we just need to click on invite link. Then we have three options right here. We can copy the link, or we can send this invite link in Instagram, or we can also click on share to share this invite link to another application. Okay, and here I'm just going to copy the link like this. And now the invite link has been copied to the clipboard, and I will be able to share this group chat invite link to my friends. And I guess that's how we can share Instagram group chat invite link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.